Hello gorgeous, welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new. If you are new, it would mean so much if you guys hit the subscribe button to join my YouTube family. I do upload every single Tuesday and Thursday, and make sure that bell is turned on to be notified every single time those videos drop. Today is going to be a clean the room video, kind of like organization video. I wanted to share with you some cool pieces I got and just tidy up. I don't have everything in my room, but I will definitely be doing updates once I receive more furniture and more things. But I'm so excited because I just received my bed. Starting first, like I said, with my bed. Recently just got my mattress and I've been obsessed with it. I've been sleeping on it now for a little bit, and I tell you that I have gotten the best sleeps in my entire life due to this mattress. I am partnering up with Birch to share with you their organic, non-toxic mattress. My fiance and I were sleeping on a previous mattress when we moved into this home, and to be honest, we were just getting the worst sleeps. I was constantly waking up through the night, and it was just time for a new mattress. When I went ahead and purchased this mattress, it was super easy to just buy it online. It comes straight to your door, really convenient, and it's also very fast shipping, and it's free shipping within the US. The mattress does come in a box. It is quite heavy, hence why I needed my fiance's help. So you're able to open it and you take the mattress out. It will completely start to inflate right away, as you guys can see in my clip. And then my fiance and I just put it onto our bed. This mattress is so comfortable. I have never gotten better sleeps, like I said, in my entire life. I am so happy I went with this mattress in particular. They not only just sell mattresses, but they sell a ton of amazing other sleep products that are stylish, comfortable, and also eco-friendly. I've definitely switched over to trying to buy more organic and buy more natural products, and that's what really caught my eye when it comes to this mattress. The mattress has 4 materials which are sourced from nature. It's made out of organic latex, organic cotton, American steel springs, and New Zealand wool. We sleep in our bed constantly, so it's important to make sure that you're sleeping on something that is natural and know what it's made out of. Each Birch mattress also comes with 2 eco pillows, as you guys can see in the clips. What's really different and cool about these pillows is they are made out of recycled water bottles. They're not only comfortable, they're breathable, and they're also better for the environment. What I really love about the company in general, as well, as if you're ever nervous to buy things online, which buying something like furniture or a mattress can be a little bit nerve-wracking. When you purchase a Birch mattress, you actually get a 100-day free sleep trial, and they also give you a 10-year warranty. And if you just find it's not for you, they will come straight to your house, pick up the mattress, and you get a full refund. But I guarantee you, you're going to love it. And to be honest, it is so comfortable, you don't even want to get out of bed. That's my problem right now. Birch also gave me a coupon code for you guys to use, so if you guys go ahead, click the link in my description box. It is just birchliving.com/NicolettaXO, and this will give you $200 off any mattress, as well as 2 free pillows. So if you need a mattress, or you know someone that needs a mattress, definitely tell them about it and definitely use my code to get that money off. I just went ahead and made my bed as well. I've been really liking the white and clean look, so I just threw on a new comforter that I got that is white, and then I also put some white sheets and as well as this beige kind of cream pillow. If you guys haven't seen my empty house tour, definitely check it out. I will link it above and also down below. If you guys kind of want to see like the whole overlay of my entire house and the master bedroom, which we are currently in. But I absolutely love how the bed turned out. I love the white comforter with the white sheets and the 2 pillows with the cream pillow. It has little tassels, but I really like how the back is this cream color. My theme for the bedroom is definitely gonna be a lot of whites, creams, neutral tones, and I think I'm gonna also have some accents of black. Over on here, I have these side tables. You guys probably know these from my previous bedroom, though we are planning to get completely different side tables. I think these are just a little too short, and I don't really want white for the side tables. I'm looking more at like oak wood. I do have a lot of things coming, so definitely stay tuned for that. I'll definitely do an updated video, and maybe once it's fully completed, I'll also do a room tour. Oh, and something else we just got installed in the entire house, which I'm so happy about, are the blinds. It's really nice. It just comes with a white pull-up, the zebra blinds. That's really what I wanted. We've been living in the house with no blinds, so I'm so happy we were finally able to get blinds installed, and zebra blinds are definitely by far my favorite look when it comes to window covering. So as you could see, there's not much in our room. We really just have our side tables. We're hoping to one day put a dresser here with a TV, but I'm just gonna go ahead and pick these little things up. Once I'm done that, I'm gonna go ahead and move on to my closet, which is seriously such a mess. I need to organize it completely, and the bathroom. So let me share with you guys the mess. Low-key a little bit embarrassed. If you can't see it, it's not there, but once we open it, won't even open. Thank you. Wow. Okay. As you guys can see, I have a blind there, and we also got a blind in the bathroom. They're all the same blinds. And then, yeah, so I definitely have to go ahead and clean this mess out. And then coming over here, I have the bathroom, which is also a mess. Definitely a mess, but we're gonna go. This is what the bedroom is looking like so far. So everything is organized, though I don't have too much for now. Starting now with the closet, I'm just gonna go ahead and put all the clothes away. There's a bunch of clean clothes in there, and I need to go ahead and empty that out, start hanging everything up, and then put my dirty clothes back in there. And then we'll move on to like the little knickknacks over there. If you guys do wanna see like a full closet video of how I organized and stuff, I will link that video above. I recently just did it. My closet, it looks so clean. This is what it's looking on this side. And then over on here, this is what it is looking like. I'm just gonna go ahead and because it's 99% natural. And then of course I have my purple cloth, which if you just wet this with water, you can go ahead and clean the mirrors. It's also just a more natural way. Like I said, I try to find more natural things. I obviously don't have everything natural, but wherever I can, if I find something I like to go for more of the natural route, just because it's a lot healthier for you. I definitely need to vacuum the floors. It is so hairy on the floor. Sorry to my fiance because your girl has a lot of hair. That is all for the bathroom. The bathroom is finally clean, so I ended up just vacuuming the floors. If you guys are wondering where all my little organization trays are from, I have 2 of these glass ones and 1 of these rose gold ones. I just picked them up from Marshalls and Winners. They're super great for storing all of your stuff. So I have my hair care over here, my perfumes and smelly things over here. And then over here is just my skincare. That is all for my clean the room slash kind of like organizing. It feels so fresh and smells so good in here. Don't forget to check out Birch. I will have my $200 off coupon code down below in the description box, and also it will give you 2 free pillows, so definitely check it out. Click the subscribe button because I do upload every single week, every Tuesday and Thursday, and I would love for you guys to be a part of my YouTube family. But with that being said, I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!